What is up, Jaguar students? It's your friendly neighborhood math teacher, Mr. Allred. I know I told you Unit 9 was over. I lied to you. That's right. I'm real sorry about that. I want to cover one more thing for you. I want to talk about composite figures with you. We're going to do this real quickly today. Second period, I'm not in the room. Look around. I'm not there, right? That means you need to just pay extra attention to this video, okay? And try your best to ask questions to a neighbor. If you send me an email, I might be able to answer it. It kind of depends on what I'm doing at the moment, okay? I'll be back in the afternoon for 5th and 6th period, so I'll be in the room for your class, okay? We're going to talk about composite figures. Some of these shapes are kind of scary, like this sucker is right here. But I've got 3 quick, easy steps for you that you can use to be successful. That's right. The first thing you should do when you look at these 3D scary figures is to figure out what kind of shapes you see. If it's a prism, a pyramid, what kind of prism, what kind of pyramid. You want to identify the 3D shapes that you see. You want to find the volume of those shapes using the formulas from your foldable. That's right. Go ahead and get your foldable out so you can use that to do these. Okay. Find the volumes of those shapes that you see. And then we're going to add up all the volumes. We're always going to add them because these shapes are composite. They're together. Okay. Look throughout this document. On this paper, you see a bunch of different shapes that are all together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 problems for you. I'm going to get you started on the 4th one. Okay. Ed Puzzle is going to ask you about that 4th one and how to finish it. Okay. And you're going to work on the back. Good luck. Okay. On this first shape, looking here at this first shape, what do you see? What do you see? You see 2 rectangular prisms. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this prism up. I'm going to draw a line right there around that guy. I'm also going to draw another line back here on the back so you can see where it ends on the other side. Okay. We're going to draw a line right here for you as well. Okay. So you see 2 different prisms. I see a smaller prism on top of a longer one. We're going to find the area, or the volume, of both of them. To find the volume of the bottom one, I can do 80 times 10 times 20. Where do I get 20 from? I got 20 from right here. I knew this whole line was 60 millimeters all the way down it. And I knew that this part said it was 40 millimeters right here. Again, I knew it was 60 millimeters all the way down it. I knew it was 40 millimeters right here all the way down. So I took those and subtracted it to find the missing distance right here of 20 millimeters. To find the volume of that prism, I did base, the area of the base, length times width, 80 times 10. Got 800 multiplied by 20. I got 1,600 millimeters cubed for the volume of that bottom rectangular prism. On the top, okay, what's important to note is that it is 40 millimeters tall. It is 10 millimeters wide because this 10 millimeters right here is the same as this 10 millimeters right here, okay? But this front distance right here is going to be 20 millimeters because I know it was 80 all the way across the bottom and 60 on just this part of the bottom, like the original shape told you. So now the extra distance right there has to be 20 millimeters. To find the volume of the top one, I did 20 times 40 times 10, and I got 8,000 millimeters cubed for the volume of the top rectangular prism. Just like that third step says, I found the volumes of those shapes. Now I'm going to add up those volumes. When I did that, I did 16,000 plus 8,000. I got 24,000 millimeters cubed for the total composite volume of those rectangular prisms. I know that was a lot. I apologize for that, but I'm going to move on to the next one because I need to. Okay? This next one is a rectangular prism with a square pyramid on top of it. Okay? If you want to draw the extra lines on there, you can. You have a square on the bottom of that pyramid. Okay? A square on the bottom of that pyramid, you can draw it however you'd like to draw it. Okay? I'm not great at drawing these squares, as you can see. And for that, I am deeply sorry, but I've done the best that I can. Okay? So I'm going to find the volume of the rectangular prism on the bottom first by using my Prism Formula, which is big B times H. For the volume of that bottom prism, I did 4 times 4. For the area of the base, I knew it was a square on the bottom. Again, I'm going to try to draw that square on the bottom. right there for you. There you have it. A square on the bottom is 4 by 4. I did 4 times 4 times 5, and I got 80 inches cubed for the volume of the rectangular prism on the bottom. For the square pyramid on the top, okay, I'm going to use the formula for a pyramid that I've used this whole unit. I'm going to do big base times height divided by 3. To find the area of the base, I'm sorry, Mr. Payton came into the room, so I kind of got lost track of where I was. We're going to find the volume of that square pyramid on the top of the prism. We're going to find the area of the base first. So we're going to do 4 times 4 for the area of the base. That's where this part came from. Multiplied by the height of the pyramid, that was 6. When I did that, I got 16 times 6 was 96. I divided by 3 and got 32 inches cubed. The reason I did that so quickly is because we've been solving square pyramids for a long time, so I don't feel like I need to break it down for you. Okay, now I know that I've got two volumes, 32 and 80. I'm going to add those together. 80 plus 32 is 112 inches cubed, and I found the volume of my second shape, a rectangular prism with a square pyramid on top of it. You can call it a nice little house if you'd like. Okay, I know I'm doing this real fast, so I apologize for that. All right, here we go. We got a rectangular prism here with a trapezoidal prism on top of it. Okay, we're going to find first the area of that trapezoid, so we can find the volume of that prism. We're going to use the same formula we've been using. To find the area of that trapezoid, I'm going to use my formula, base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times height. So I did 5, that's this distance right here. 5 plus 2 divided by 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Half of that is 3.5. 3.5 times 2 is 7 centimeters squared. That's the area of the base, the big B. I'm going to multiply that by the height of the prism, the distance from base to base. That's 10 centimeters from base to base. If you do 7 times 10, you get 70 centimeters squared for the top trapezoidal prism, 70 centimeters cubed for the top trapezoidal prism. To find the volume of the rectangular prism on the bottom, I did 3 times 5, and I got 15 centimeters squared. Now I multiplied it by 10. The same height of that prism is 150 centimeters cubed. The track team's really loud. It's really annoying out there in the Centrum. I apologize for that. Okay, we're going to do 70 plus 150. The two total volumes together is 220 centimeters cubed. Okay, I've solved 3 math problems for you. The track team's really excited out there. I'm going to get you started on this next one. On this next one, what I see a triangular prism and a triangular pyramid. That's what I see. I don't know about you, but that's what I see. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to think about that top pyramid on the top. I'm going to find the area of the base times the height and divide by 3. Okay? To find the area of the base, that's all I'm going to do for you. I knew it was a triangle. I knew it was a 6 by 8 triangle because it's the same one down here. I had 6 times 8 divided by 2. I got 24 inches squared for the area of the base of the pyramid and the area of the base of the prism. It's the same. Your job is to finish the shape, find the volume of the pyramid, find the volume of the prism on top of it. I have an answer key over there on the counter. You can check that as you go through the day. There's a substitute in the room, 2nd period. I'm in the room, 5th and 6th period. Okay? Thank you for your time. Please keep all hands and feet inside the ride at all times. Okay? Do not exit the ride until it comes to a complete stop. Don't be foolish about this. There's no reason to exit the ride until it comes to a complete stop. It doesn't make any sense. Okay? If you're still listening to this video, I have a lot of faith in you. You must really, really care about what I have to say. And just remember that the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain said that one time, a long time ago. And he wanted to thank you personally for watching this video. Have a great day. Make it a great day or not. The choice is yours. Thank you for your time.